Hey guys, it's BakuBrad96 here with a new unboxing video today. We will be unboxing Diamond Sharktar. So, let's get right into it, guys. Alright, so first up, let's take a look at the Baku cores that ripped out there. Whoa. So, we have a plus 100 B power green vest that gives plus 3 damage to Darkus and Ventus. And then it looks like we only got that one core. I don't see any more. Move this junk out of the way, guys. Here it is. So it also comes with a orange shield for minus 200 B power. Now let's take a look at the character card. Here is Aqua's Sharktar. Orange shield, green vest. So I can get it to focus. 500 B power and 6 damage. And if you win the brawl, you get to draw 1. So not bad at all. And here is the actual toy. This is Diamond Sharktar. Try to get an up close view for you guys. It is absolutely amazing. The way the blue and the orange accent here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Amazing Bakugan. Alright, let's see if we can get some rolling action now. Alright, let's lay out the cores. I do it like this because I don't know if I'll be able to roll a straight shot. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, draw. And there it went, opened up, guys. So once again, there is Diamond Sharktar. Another amazing diamond. Alright guys, if you want to see more Bakugan content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And let me know what you guys want to see. More unboxing, deck profiles, whatever you guys want. Thank you and see you next time.